In today's video, we finally actually head out into downtown Tokyo to explore for the first time. For this trip, I had actually done a lot of research beforehand and made a pretty tight itinerary. I'm super excited to take you guys along with us for our first real day exploring Japan. Let's jump in.
Came all the way to Japan just to get McDonald's.
You excited for this McDonald's?
Super excited. I hope it's gonna be a lot different.
I don't think it is.
My wife told me to get a teriyaki burger.
That's not gonna be available this morning. Does it taste like McDonald's?
Yeah, of course.
This one's a famous fast food place here in Japan. All my students told me to try it, but what is that?
Soft-boiled egg with sausage and lettuce and some other stuff.
Look guys, they got a one-piece brand deal on the fries.
We're eating here every meal now.
No,
just for one piece.
I don't know about that. So vending machines obviously everywhere in Japan, but look how you can pay.
So I want that, and then you got the Suica card you can pay with.
Wait, this might not be a Suica one. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
That's because of your balance too. You saw that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cool. I think you pull it up.
Oh, that's carbonated. I didn't know that, but that's all right.
Well, the card that he just used, that's the train card. So you can use your train card on the vending machine. It's so easy. It's so cool. Since this was my first time in Japan ever, the itinerary consisted mostly of famous tourist spots. I'm known for finding hidden spots. But for the first trip, it's always more about getting acquainted with the country. So with that out of the way, our first stop for the day was Asakusa, a district of the city famous for the Sensoji Temple, as well as playing host to a ton of little food and vendor stalls. This area is mega famous, and honestly a pretty standard first stop for newbies in Tokyo. Our train didn't actually take us to Asakusa Station. It took us to another station really close by. We just gotta walk about 12 minutes. Asakusa opens at 9. It's 8. I didn't know it was gonna be this easy to get here, so it's crazy, man.
They got pulleys on here, so just
it gets moved here and then dropped.
So this one behind me is the ones where the cars, like, they raise them up and they can lower them down and move them around for parking. You park vertically instead of horizontally. It's so crazy. We just turned a corner and we're met with Tokyo Sky Tree right in front of us. Actually, this is the one we were seeing last night on the other side of the tower. The tree. It's not a tree. Oh, whoa. Okay, we have arrived in Asakusa. These shops are not open yet. Alright, so put the 100 yen first.
Okay.
Now shake this one up. And now pour it over. And you want to try to get a stick out of it. Okay, now we read the numbers on the stick.
Okay.
So mine's 5, 5, 10, 3. We both have the same fortune.
Are you serious?
Right?
It's crazy. Yeah, it does look the same.
Yeah, it's 5, 10, and 3. So 5 was down here. 5, 10, 3 right here.
Okay.
That was fast. Yeah, now pull it. Now we take our fortune from there. Okay. So we got regular fortune. Oh, and then we put these back, I guess.
A little good luck.
Really?
Yeah.
So you keep it?
A small amount of fortune.
Okay, we're headed up into the temple. I know how to do temples now in Korea, but I don't know here, and this is nothing like I've seen.
Clap, say your prayer, and then bow and leave. Oh, and one ding the bell. If there's.
Let's go see. Let's go
Is there
see.
a step, a guide?
What'd you pray for?
Safe trip home and a baby in the next year.
Okay, we finished in this main one. Now we're gonna go over to this big one now. I'm not sure if we can go in there or do anything there at all if you just look at it, but let's see. Guys, the 5-story pagoda is closed. I don't know if you can ever go in there or if it's always closed, but it's pretty cool. Guys, let's go back around. Let's go around this way. So we've got more area to explore. I don't know what all there is to see here, but it looked like a lot. Okay, we've moved off the main road into some kind of other market where a lot of stuff is still closed, but some stuff's starting to open up. This is really good. A lot of the stores are still closed, but this area is bigger than I realized. When you see it on video, you just see like the shrines and stuff, but there's so much here. And all the shops are opening up, and there's a lot of people here. It is not even 10 a.m. It's a beautiful day, guys. We could not have asked for a better day.
Small. All right. What do I get?
What do you like?
I think I will get a pug because my mom likes pugs.
I knew you weren't gonna get the Shiba.
Pug for my mom.
Was it fun?
Amazing.
I have no idea what it is. Whoa. All right, we were pretty much finished at Asakusa.
I bought Year of the Ram pendant charm.
Oh, I didn't realize you bought this.
Year of the Ram.
You're the Ram?
Yep, I'm 1993.
What? 93 is not the Ram, bro. I'm pretty sure 93 is the Rooster, dude.
Oh, well, then I got the wrong year.
You didn't check before you bought it?
I thought I knew.
Dude, Nate's a rooster. He thought he was a ram. Once we had our fill of Asakusa, we walked over to Tokyo Sky Tree. We're headed toward the Tokyo Sky Tree, but I think there's a sweet potato on top of this building. Tokyo Sky Tree is basically a huge mall at the bottom, with an incredible multi-level viewing deck at the top. It's absolutely the best place to see Tokyo from above, and again, another very standard first day in Tokyo stop. Alright, we're arriving right now at Tokyo Sky Tree. Now we figure out where to pay and get in. All these like towers I do, some of them are hard to figure out. Okay, it looks easy so far. Here we go. Alright, we found the right floor. You need to be on the 4th floor. We're headed to the ticket counter. That's what I'm trying to say. But a lot of times already sold out.
This is cool.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna see. Maybe. We got our tickets, but we gotta wait 2.5 hours. We're headed down to go eat first. There's a food court on this floor, and then there's more on the floor below as well.
Should have done. Just came here, got our ticket, and then went to the shrine, and then came back when our time was up.
Couldn't have known that.
You don't know everything about Japan yet, Cody? Jeez.
My first time.
Oishi.
The consistency is like, it's like some ice cream type stuff.
I think there's cheese.
Yeah, it's
in
more
it.
like cheese, my bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very savory, yeah.
Yours is good?
Hot.
Spicy?
No.
Oh, just hot. Just hot. Drew followed me, but he doesn't really like it that much. He's gonna follow Nate next time, probably.
I'm gonna follow my own path next time.
Alright, I'm going for this. Is that Trico?
Get that, Trico.
Oh, no.
You got his butt.
Oh. It's harder now. The difficulty went up. Oh, I don't know.
That's a good grab. That's a good grab.
Oh, I got the Trico! You got that recorded?
Let's go.
I didn't even really want it. I just wanted it for fun, but it's cool. Guys, we're just walking around the mall here. We just noticed there's a Studio Ghibli store here, and there's a Pokemon Center here. Nate, be careful. Nate, why?
Because I'm doing his pose.
All right. Dude, there's more
All kaiju
Godzillas.
stuff.
Why is there so... Dakota loves Godzilla and kaiju stuff. And he loves the... What's this one? He loves this thing too. Doesn't he? I'm sorry, Drew.
You know I'm scared of heights.
We gotta take all the stairs, no?
Guys, look at that. Where we're going. Drew's afraid of heights. And so for some reason he agreed to do this.
And the elevator.
Who knows? He might not... The elevator is not broken. We are almost in. There's security you have to go through. They check your bags and everything. I feel like I'm in the airport. I can't really see how long stuff is because I'm so short. Looks like a long line to go up.
Yeah, legit.
Welcome to Tokyo Sky Tree.
What's different?
This elevator goes up.
So this is the first time
Oh, it's huge. All right, we made it. Oh my God, we're pretty high up. You see Fuji? Where's Fuji-san? Yeah, it is cloudy. What's up, Drew? All right, we're basically done on this floor. We're gonna head up to the next one. Are you all right? I actually think coming up to this deck is worth it. I don't think you can tell so much of a difference in the view, but the experience of being on this deck, the way it wraps around when you go up, not good for someone afraid of heights, definitely not. You can't escape it. I think the smaller deck, if you're afraid of heights but not deathly afraid, I think it's still okay. Would you agree, Drew? Because you can like back away from the edge. You can look and then back up, but not this one. It's harder to get away from it.
You just gotta climb down this.
I thought that was a really good experience. Did you guys enjoy it?
So, desuune.
Yeah, that was a good experience.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was cool. Drew, I'm hesitant to ask, but did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it. It's cool.
You're just a little freaked
Out
out.
of my comfort zone, it was good.
Okay, that's good. I'm glad to hear it. Drew came to Japan to get out of his comfort zone.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Later.
We have finally arrived at the area where Weeb's dreams become reality, Akihabara. I mean, I know me and Nate at least, we've been talking about coming to Akihabara for
8 years.
10 years, well, since the first time somebody told me about it. I'm probably not even gonna buy anything though.
I'm buying.
You are?
I bought a whole empty duffel bag.
It's like what I thought Tokyo would look like. Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
everything here is themed anime.
Yeah, it's like anime and gaming stuff. This is like the nerd culture area.
Okay.
That's right. As you just heard me tell Drew, Akihabara is a huge shopping district in Tokyo that's mainly centered around otaku culture. So mostly anime, manga, and gaming. There's a lot to see here and we really had no idea where to go. So Nate found a list online of the best stores for anime lovers in Akihabara and led the way. Oh, there's figures. Which one you want?
Why does it look like that?
That's Gear Fit,
It's from the
baby.
film Red.
We're in Akihabara Radio Kikon or something like that. This is like a massive multi-level anime store. Right now we're in this figure area. Dude, we just found out there's 10 floors of this place. We're only on floor number 4. It just keeps going, man. We just went through an adult section that I could not film. It was huge. We just walked in. We didn't realize we were entering that section. All right, we just came out of that store, man. I'm getting tired. That was 10 floors of anime stuff, dude.
They're a bunch of wimps. I want to stay here forever.
Dude, we're all falling asleep. We've been out since like 7 a.m.
At this point in time, we say konbanwa.
Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Alright guys, we ordered Japanese pizza. Let's take a look in here. Oh, look how small each piece is. That's crazy. It looks good. I gotta try a bite, guys. Look how thin the pieces are, dude. Alright, I'm gonna try a bite, guys. Let's see how this is. Great. It's good. Thank God. My feet are, and all of us, our feet are dead. I remember eating that pizza and then all of us just crashing. I really think jet lag was hitting the others and maybe my whole adventure in Korea was actually catching up to me. But we were asleep before 8 p.m. There's still so much more to show, even just in Tokyo. I'm super excited to be able to share it all with you guys. Thanks for watching and keep wondering.